Every time you enter a password or your card details online, an invisible bodyguard decides whether your data stays private or gets stolen. That bodyguard is called an SSL certificate. Let's break down what it is and why your website needs one. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer. In plain English, it's a small digital file that does two things. It encrypts the connection between your website and its visitors, and it proves your site is who it claims to be. Think of sending a letter. Without SSL, your message travels like a postcard. Anyone who handles it can read every word. With SSL, that message is sealed inside a locked envelope that only the right website can open. You can spot it in any web address. HTTP is the old unsecured way, where data travels in plain text. HTTPS, with that extra S for secure, means SSL is active and your connection is encrypted. Quick fact: Chrome swapped the old padlock icon for a settings icon back in 2023 because people wrongly assumed the padlock meant a site was safe. It really just means the connection is encrypted. So why does your website need one? 4 quick reasons. Security. It protects passwords and payment details from theft. Trust. Because visitors run from not secure warnings. SEO, since Google ranks secure sites higher. And compliance, because accepting online payments legally requires encryption. There are 3 levels to choose from. Domain validation for blogs and small sites. Organization validation for businesses. And extended validation for banks and big brands. Getting one is easy. Many web hosts include SSL for free and set it up automatically. You can also use Let's Encrypt, a free, trusted authority. Most certificates auto-renew, so it's set and forget. And that's it. SSL encrypts your data, builds trust, and boosts your ranking. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more beginner tech guides. Thanks for watching.